This is the elevator at the J. Curtis McKinney II Student Union at the Education Training Center at Pitt Titusville in Titusville, Pennsylvania. It has a Dover traditional call button. That arrow acting isn't in use. I don't think this is a Dover traditional. I don't know what this is. JL Lantern has it's like cute little JLCOP. But it has Dover replacement buttons. That's very odd. And there's no labels, which is also very weird. Go turn that light up there and go, whoa. That's been used in a while. A little dim here too. Slow door. I've done one. That kind of wrong. Might be an Otis ESCO, I'm not sure. But it has Dover buttons. Non-ADA phone. Oversized certificates. Installed in 1980. It's a basic fake wood grain laminate cab. Here, back out one. There goes, that's gonna be it.